Today we're going to do an experiment. The experiment's name is Conductors and Non Conductors. For this experiment, we need 2 batteries, a copper rod, an LED, a crocodile clip, and the battery casing. First, we're going to put the batteries in the battery casing. Then we're going to attach our red side with the long side of the LED. Then we're going to take our crocodile clip and attach the black side with the shorter end of the LED. Then we are going to take our copper rod and then attach the black side with it. Then we are going to take our other piece and attach it to the copper rod. And see guys, the LED is lit. And if I detach it, the LED becomes off. And then it turns on again. But why does this happen? The electricity from the batteries flows through the copper rod. And then when we detach it, the rod becomes broken. That's why the LED is not lit. If the rod is broken, no electricity is flowing through it. That's why when we reattach it, the rod is fixed and all the electricity goes into the LED.